Hey everyone, I'm Ed.
And I'm Caitlin.
And we are the Flying Stampede.
Thanks for joining us tonight. We are going to be unboxing the Lightspeed Zulu headset.
Zulu 3 headset.
Excuse me, Zulu 3 headset. And there's a fun, cute story behind this. Ed volunteered at EAA at the Lightspeed tent this year, and one of the great perks that they had was that you get a headset when you volunteer for the week, among many other perks.
Yes.
He had a great time, made a lot of friends, and we really saw how much Lightspeed is an awesome company, as well as they really stand behind their products.
Yep.
And also, Ed decided to gift me this headset so that I would have my first very own headset. So I've been using one of his older ones.
Yep.
It's big and clunky, and it hasn't been my favorite thing to use in the airplane. So we are going to unbox this bad boy tonight. But before we do that, it is a Friday night here in Wisconsin. We are going to do a cheers. We have a Manhattan.
Yep.
What kind of rye or whiskey's in here?
So this is a Journeyman Rye, which was from a barrel that we used as a guest book for our wedding.
Yes.
3 years ago.
And there's a story behind that as well. So what are we cheersing to tonight, love?
Cheersing to more stamps on our aviation journey.
Okay. More stamps and to Lightspeed.
And to Lightspeed. Thank you for the opportunity.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I love this cocktail. Here we go. My first headset, and a very fancy one at that. Oh, look how fun. Let's go flying. That's right. Some nice, easy directions right up front here.
Pre-flight checklist. That's a kind of neat little marketing thing there.
Oh my god. Wow. Look at this case. I'm so excited. Oh, wow. Look how nice this is. Oh, I've never seen anything like this. These braided cables. Wow. This case is great too. It's got I love compartments, anything that you can help organize your gear with, your flight gear. That is the way to go.
And just to talk about the case really quick, it's hard. It's pretty hard. I know some of the other headsets come with cases that are a little bit more flimsy. Well, this one is not flimsy whatsoever. This is super nice.
These cups are really soft. They feel like memory foam. Here we go. Oh, it fits great. I think I'm talking extra loud because I can't hear anything.
You definitely are talking too loud.
What?
You're too loud.
Oh, sorry. Wow, this feels so much lighter, so much more comfortable. I am definitely gonna have better rides when we go flying. I could already tell. It's just so much more comfortable. The fit, like a glove. Let's go flying!
Racing traffic 74 Kilo taxiing runway 22 from EAA hangar racing. How's that new headset?
It's beautiful. My head fits on the plane.
Yep. Racing traffic 74 Kilo taking off runway 22 departure to the west. Racing. Hey Nick, I just departed.
That's amazing. You passed me yet?
Not quite. So today we're doing a quick flight over to Lake Lawn Lodge, which has a great spot for breakfast. And then Caitlin's getting an opportunity to try out her brand new Zulu 3 headset.
All right, I just got my Bluetooth connected, so I'm going to be into my podcast. So, signing off. Have fun, pilot.
Thanks a lot.
Talk for traffic.
So there's Grand Geneva. Lake Lawn traffic, 74 Kilo, 10 to the east, inbound 18, Lake Lawn. Lake Lawn traffic, 74 Kilo, downwind 18, Lake Lawn.
A little gusty on final there, Ed.
Roger that, thank you sir.
I'm clear of the runway as well.
Lake Lawn traffic, 74 Kilo, turning final 18, Lake Lawn.
Lake Lawn Airport is 35.5 nautical miles west of Racine Airport. Across the street from the airport is Lake Lawn Lodge, which has been in operation since 1878 and is located along 2 miles of Delavan Lake's shoreline. The Lookout Bar and Eatery boasts panoramic lake views both inside and out, and is the perfect setting for breakfast.
You guys gonna fly up to Door County at all?
No, we went to Door County.
Extra little like one stamp if you want to do that under it.
Yeah.
Just for those. Which would have been
Cool.
your luck.
Thank you. Thank
You might want to rate it.
you. Yeah.
Where'd you guys fly in from?
Racine.
Your ring is gorgeous.
Thank you.
Do you want the little extra?
Yeah, we'll do the little Lake Lawn one.
Okay, looks like it's good enough.
Cool. Yeah.
No.
Lake Lawn traffic, 74 Kilo, taking off runway 18, speed departing to the
Aside from the great fit, comfortability, amazing ANR, and Bluetooth capability, The Lightspeed Zulu 3 headset is exceptionally durable, has an auto shutoff, Flight Link app for your iPhone, and features a 7-year limited warranty. Not to mention the best customer service support team that I've ever had the pleasure of working with.
Final thoughts. I love my new headset. Never using an A&R headset before, this headset was crystal clear. I am so excited for our next flight because I can't wait to use my headset.
Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in getting a Lightspeed Zulu 3, Sierra, or Delta Zulu headset yourself, check out the links in our description below.